everyone! Welcome to Bangkok Talk by LK Chiland. Good news for Thai people. Heard that Chek is going to open more again in Bangkok next year. On these occasions, I would like to take you back to see what are famous American fast food chains available in Bangkok right now. Number 1. McDonald's. Of course, I'm loving it. McDonald's opened its first restaurant in Thai since 1985. Currently, there are over 250 restaurants across country that include 24-hour service, delivery, dine-in, drive-thru, cafes, and e-book service. Number 2. Burger King. Be your way. The restaurant was opened in 2000s with highlight that being a brand of burgers with unique flavors, superior sauces, and quality ingredients. Currently, there are 126 branches all over Thailand. Number 3. KFC. It's finger licking good. Cross finger until we can finger lick again. The story began in 1984 that KFC was partnered with Central Restaurant Group to open the first KFC store in Thailand at Central Lat Phrao. Currently, there are more than 800 branches available nationwide. Number 4. A nutrition sandwich. Subway. Eat fresh. Subway Thailand was started in 2003. The first store located on Silom Road. Today, Subway Thailand has 74 stores nationwide and keep growing steadily. Number 5. Domino Pizzas. Oh yes, we did. Domino Pizzas has been prized by fans for being well-made and good qualities. In 2016, Domino Pizza's first restaurant in Thailand was built up on Sukhumvit Road. Domino's Thailand currently have around 40 stores and continuously expanding. Number 6. Taco Bell's Lavmos. Good quality tacos that could not be guessed was seasoning they use. The first branch in Thai opened in 2019 as Mercuryville Chitlong. Now they have 11 branches included at Siam Paragon and MBK Center. Number 7. Pizza Hut. No one else pizzas the Hut. Pizza Hut's first branch in Thai was born in 1980. Currently, they have up to 106 branches, with tons of flours, cheesy toppings, and grilled vegetables to select. No surprise that pizza lovers will return to the Hut. Number 8. Texas Chicken, which originally is known as Texas Chicken. Bigger, juicier, and crunchier. In Thai, Texas Chicken started its business since 2015. 7 years after that, Texas Chicken has up to 90 branches in Thailand. In case you are planning to visit Bangkok, Thailand and want to be sure that is there any American fast foods you're familiar with in Thai or not, I hope this video is useful for you. And that's all for today. For any queries or interesting story related to your Bangkok journeys, please share me in the below comment. I'm looking forward to read it. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next videos. Bye!